So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a data analyst here on ChatGPT. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up ChatGPT. And for this demonstration, how about we go to the top left here and then press on the Explore tab right below where it says ChatGPT and start a new chat. It says Explore, simply just press on that. Now where it says My GPTs right here by ChatGPT, I want you to scroll down to the second option for me, which says Data Analyst right here. Drop in any files and I can help analyze and visualize your data. I'll go ahead and press on this. Now by doing that, you actually create a new chat through Data Analyst here. Now I don't actually have any files and images right here, but you can go ahead and insert that if you want. And once that is done, Data Analyst will do its thing and hopefully provide your solution that you're looking for. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can use Data Analyst here on ChatGPT. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.